history turns over when individuals with commitment contribute to the growth of community. The story of Mankapur is one such story, colored with tales of growth and development, enabled by the vibrant intervention of ITI Limited.
हम गोंडा डिस्ट्रिक्ट को दो भागों में बांट सकते हैं, बिफोर रामा वैदिक पीरियड, आफ्टर रामा। वैदिक पीरियड में इस गोंडा डिस्ट्रिक्ट का नाम गोनार्द हुआ करता था। यहाँ का जो लैंडलॉर्ड था वो एक मानिक भूज करके थे। बाद में उन्होंने राजा साहब के दामहा को जो है गोद ले लिया था और उन्होंने सारी ज़मीनें इनको राजा साहब को दे दिया और उन्हीं की ये ज़मीन है। तो मानिक इनके राजा साहब के उत्तरी दिशा में जो दरवाज़ा है वहाँ पर ऊपर लिखा हुआ है, तो वो उनकी वजह से ये मानिक भूज की वजह से ये मानिक मनकापुर नाम पड़ा था।
Gonda district is one of the more backward districts of UP, and here there was really no industry or any big businesses like that. All we had here was sugar mills, and of course, a sugar mill is not such a great employment generator. So during Congress's time, when my father was a member of parliament, he was instrumental in getting this ITI unit here in Mankapur, and of course, it has made a great change here.
80 there was a new election. Indiraji was touring this area for an election campaign. So one was Mankapur. So she came here. She went around, saw, met people. She noticed the poverty of this area. She became the Prime Minister again. She gave this factory.
The plant was in fact established somewhere around 1982 to 87. And that time Mankapur was called a dust bowl. So only tangas were plying between Mankapur railway station to this place, or you have to walk. Even rickshaws were not there. After a gap of a year, some rickshaws started plying, and coming to this area was really troublesome for everybody, and we had very difficult time getting even a cup of tea. It took almost 3 years for this plant to come on the stream, and many French experts were also residing in this area. And today you can see it is a green land of around 356 acres. That is how it has come over.
The company is manufacturing a diverse range of information and communication technology products and solutions to hone its competitive edge in the convergence market by deploying its rich telecom expertise and vast infrastructure.
Once you have a manufacturing plant here, so it gives to boost to the local peoples as well as जो यहाँ पे local persons हैं उनको नौकरी दी गई है. They are included with our team and all. So this is basically development. In the map also, you can like the Mankapur. Earlier nobody knows Mankapur. Now it's a telecom factory in Mankapur. So everybody knows where you are going in Mankapur for telecom industries.
Technology was born in Mankapur plant, of course with the collaboration of Alcatel France, and then over the year we have built up our production capacity and created more than 1000 kilo line in a year. There was a record production. That is how it came up.
Actually, we started this plant to manufacture E10B telephone exchanges, electronic telephone exchanges. And because of this change of technologies, of obsolescence of technologies, over the years now we are manufacturing instruments for this mobile technology. And apart from this, we are also manufacturing this bank mechanizing products like your note counting machine, fake note detectors, etc. The main challenge is this technology. Technology is changing very fast, and we are not able to compete with the public-private sector. So our problem is that. And the telephony itself has seen so many changes from landline to mobile. So our expertise were to manufacture these electronic exchanges. Now the world has changed to mobile. We could not do that.
Now recently we have started manufacturing health related. It is a sanitary napkin vending machine. Recently we have developed and start manufacturing previous month.
Almost in every district of India, you can see the telephone exchange manufactured by this Mankapur plant. Every corner of the country you can see. We got 29 National Safety Awards, 13 Shram Devi Awards. These are the Prime Minister's Shram Awards given by the Prime Minister himself. And apart from this, National Productivity Awards and Quality Awards, so many awards we have.
The total plant factory plus township is spread across 56 acres of land. We have around 2,500 residential quarters for our employees and officers. There was swimming pool. Of course, we are operating only for a limited period of 2 months in summer. There is auditorium also. There is post office. There are banks within this, and of course our own hospital is also available.
ESS प्रोजेक्ट के तहत हमारी ITI की स्थापना हुई, तब यहाँ के एम्प्लॉय के ट्रीटमेंट के लिए और आसपास के सराउंडिंग्स एरिया में जो पीपल हैं, लोग हैं, उनके ट्रीटमेंट के लिए, उनके हेल्थ के बेटरमेंट के लिए इस अस्पताल की स्थापना की गई थी।
At that time, education level to this area was too low. When we have started our schools and the kind of syllabus our schools followed, it compelled others also to either upgrade their teaching skills, or many of those who could get admission here within ITI schools.
केंद्रीय विद्यालय ITI मनकापुर जो एक नेशनल लेवल का एटिकेट्स है, सेंस ऑफ सोशल बिहेवियर है, वो इन्फ्यूज़ कर रहा है यहाँ के लोकल लोगों में।
St. Michael's Convent School is a co-educational English medium school affiliated to CBSE board. In the beginning of the ITI, it was a crisis for the management to provide the quality education for their wards. For this purpose, they plan to start a Christian missionary school in this campus itself. Along with the academic and scholastic program, we are focusing overall development of the personal overall development of the students. One of the main attractions of this campus is education, and St. Michael plays a very vital role for this.
Myself Ashok Yadav. I am working from July 2012. This institution started in June 1992, established by the Government of India, the MOU of ITI Limited, Mankapur, Gonda. This is a very remote area. More than 400 students are studying. There is 12 number of courses offered. The student is normally 18 years old, can be participated in PPP program for BA, BCom and other courses.
By the inception of this plant, you can now see, yourself can see the development in this area, because around 3,000 persons were working here and directly, and almost 10,000 persons were working indirectly from the surrounding area, just like milkmen, maid servants, vegetable vendors, so many people. They all developed. You can see the development, and you yourself can see the development here around it. The railway station it is beyond imagination. You cannot imagine the railway station which we were having at that time. The roads have changed a lot. Roads development. Because of this plant, two chini mills have come out.
Mankapur Chini Mills is basically a unit of Balrampur Chini Mills. Balrampur Chini Mills is the second largest sugar producer in this country, and we have 10 units located in east and central UP, and Mankapur happens to be one of them. It's a state-of-art unit in the sense we have sugar, we have power, we have distillery, and we have basically everything under one roof. And we are a very cost-efficient producer of sugar, power, ethanol. We give employment to about 1,000 odd people, and about 50,000 to 60,000 farmers are associated with our unit who supply cane to our factory.
Our vision is high sugar recovery. We have 60,000 sugarcane growers. We develop and purchase it also. Approximately 1,000 people, directly and indirectly, in crushing season, and off season just half, 500 people.
So any big industrial unit, it has its share of the social responsibilities also, and I'm very happy to see that they have given due attention to their social responsibilities to the area they are operating in. They have set up large number of trees, parks. I mean the whole place has changed. From just vast unused land, now it is full of, apart from the buildings and the factories, it's good to see the amount of greenery they have developed, the trees and the parks and all. And of course, they have set up a few schools which are a great benefit to the local people.
Growth is when goodwill people capable of transformation and of becoming change agents collaborate for the well-being of other people. ITI Limited has paved the way for the growth of the town Mankapur. All that we have just encountered is the story of this great process embarked on by the village towards transformation and development. Mankapur is a beautiful story of sharing and caring.